Hello, team. We are going to be doing an example here of adding fractions that have unlike denominators. So first things first, we'll remember the denominator is the number in the bottom of the fraction. When they're the same, right, we can just add the numerator straight across. But in this case, we essentially have our fractions cut up into different sized slices of pie. So even if these are the same sized pie, they're split differently. Right? So if you took two of these pieces and three of these pieces, imagining they were all cut perfectly, it would be unfair, right, to say that, oh, you have, whatever, they're different size slices. So if you and a sibling were wanting to share, and you say, oh, just go ahead and take one slice, right? You need to make sure your slices are the same size. So that's what we're going to do here, and we're going to use Diva to help us. So what we can do is we can use our knowledge about multiples in order to find a number that both 3 and 4 share. So we want to find the lowest common multiple, the first number they share, ideally. You can use any number, but it might make more simplifying for you to do in the end. So if I count by 3s and I count by 4s, the first number I will hit will be 12. So my common denominator of my new fractions that are going to be worth the same value as 2/3 and 3/4, but with a different look. So the common denominator is 12. So now we're going to use Diva to help us out. So Diva, number 1, she comes into the room and says, I am here. What outfit should I bring? So you say, well, let's find out. If I want to turn this 3 into a 12, right? What did I multiply that 3 by? 3, 6, 9, 12. I multiplied it by, that's a multiply, by 4. Okay, now that's legal to do. You can change the look of your denominator so long as whatever you do to the bottom, you do to the top of Diva's outfit. So Diva must match. So now we'll say, all right, our new numerator is going to be 2 times 4, which gets you 8. So 8/12 is an equivalent fraction, the same value as 2/3. It just looks different, right? And we're going to end up adding it to this mystery amount of 12ths over here. So now we want to enlist Diva again. Say, Diva, come help, please. Bring an outfit. Which outfit? Let's find out. So 4 times what gets you your new denominator? Well, our new denominator is 12. 4, 8, 12. So we multiply by 3. Legal to do so as long as whatever you do to the bottom, you do the same thing to the top. So 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, so now since we have a common denominator, we know we can just add straight across. So 8 plus 9 gets us 17. Our denominator stays the same. And we need to simplify by converting this into a mixed number because it's improper right now. So we'll say, how many 12s can we pull out of 17? 1, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So there are 5 left over out of 12. 5/12 cannot be simplified any further. And so we know that when we add 2/3 plus 3/4, we end up with 1 and 5/12.